Oh hey, just practicing my core exercises. Hey, what's up guys? Joe Carlo here from GC3 Fitness, and in today's video, I'm gonna give you 15 beginner core exercises that you can simply do anywhere. You ready to check them out? Let's go. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed those 15 beginner core exercises. Hopefully some of them were different for you. Feel free to try these out. If you noticed, some of these were holds. Okay, why? So we can build an overall core foundation. Okay, these are great beginner core exercises to help us build more overall core strength and help us get into our next video, which is on 15 intermediate core exercises. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, so this concludes my video. If you liked it, make sure to hit me with a like. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to tap that little bell so you guys get notified when I post. As for now, I'll catch you guys next time, and stay tuned for that intermediate core workout.
Stuck our feet in the mud. You have been caught in the flood. While the water isn't parted, we run, we put you so